Hi, I'm Dr. Max White, and I'll be your instructor for this online course, CRW 282. You might notice, if you look at the course syllabus, that my virtual office hours are blank. That's because we have a survey to fill out to determine the best time for me to make myself available to you. You'll also notice that my email is blank. That's because I've been newly hired by UMass Boston, and I don't yet have an email address. But I promise you, I will soon. In the meantime, I'm going to tell you a little bit about who I am, why I'm here, and what I think we're going to do this semester. I've been teaching writing for over a decade, and I'm here to help you pass your writing proficiency exam or to compile a portfolio that allows you to fulfill the writing proficiency requirement. I love teaching writing because it allows students to explore ideas about which they're intellectually curious. To me, writing is always like a treasure hunt, and you're trying to find that idea that you have, but you're not quite sure what it is. It's something inside you that's waiting to be discovered, and you get to determine not just how it's presented, but what it means. And to me, that's kind of the coolest thing you can do, is leave a written record of your deepest thoughts. Over the course of this semester, we're going to understand the writing process. We're going to try different strategies, see what works for you, and the goal of this is to make writing easier and more convenient. To do this, we'll break the essays down into small sections and talk about how they work together, how we can work from small pieces to compile a final product, and revision strategies that we can use to improve something that's already been completed. This course has a couple of purposes. One, to help you pass the writing proficiency exam, or, of course, to put together papers to pass the writing proficiency portfolio review. We'll work on reading and writing skills to help you do that. At the same time, though, this course is for more than just students who might need a little help passing the exam. Many of us have struggled significantly with reading and writing, myself included. I was a voracious reader from the time I was a child, but along the way, writing was a little bit more of a struggle. I got plenty of papers underlined in red pen and even told from one faculty member once upon a time that they didn't know why they had given me a passing grade, but they did anyway. So I can relate to struggle. Maybe not your precise experiences, but I've been there. So we've covered the goals for this course, and something else you should know is that we will be doing some reading. We have 2 previously used reading sets from the Writing Proficiency Office, and you will produce 10 pages of polished writing for the portfolio if they're strong enough. I expect they will be. Because it's an online class, you're going to be doing work on your own time. It's self-paced to a certain extent. I'm more of an online writing coach, someone here to consult and offer feedback when you need it, than I am a lecture hall instructor. You're not going to have many 25-minute videos of me explaining coordinated conjunctions and comma use. Those are things that you need to practice to learn how to do. Unfortunately, I can't beam myself into your head and do it for you. I don't think you'd want me in your head, so that's probably good for everybody. Over the course of the semester, I'll set aside time for one-on-one conferences, both for as-needed concerns and for addressing revision strategies with each of you. Many of these will be optional. If you don't want to waste your time talking to me, you don't have to, but I think you'll find that it's useful. I'll do my absolute best to make as much time as possible. One of the things that we're going to do this semester is work together. This course, even though it's online, has a great deal of collaboration. Writing, after all, is social. Written documents have to have readers. So you'll learn how to proofread your own work and also to offer informed suggestions for your peers. This process will help you become stronger working on your own, and it will give you the experience of an outside perspective on someone else's work. The key to successful writing at the end of the day really is confidence and self-expression. You are all college students. You have original ideas, and you are smart. Getting them out is the challenge, and that's what we're here to work on. If you consider the elements of writing proficiency in the rubric for the portfolio review, you'll notice that critical thinking and critical reading are 80% of the grade. Please pay attention to that and take it seriously. Yes, we'll cover some of the more skill-based aspects of writing, but this is a class about you and what you think about ideas and what ideas you have and how you want to use them to contribute to a larger conversation. I hope we'll have a great semester, and I'll be happy to answer any questions or concerns that you might have.